I was asked recently to do a quick tutorial on how to use the weighted hula hoop on the floor or on the rebounder. So first you're going to start on the floor, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the rebounder just because it's easier to see me. All right. When you're on the rebounder or on the floor, it doesn't matter. Your legs are going to be slightly bent. You're going to hold that stomach in. You're going to relax those shoulders. And when you move, you're going to move the lower part of your body by circle. You're going to make a circle with your body, lower body, okay? And you can do it to the left or you can do it to the right, but you have to keep going in a circle, because if you stop, what's going to happen? It's going to drop, right? All right, that's all it is. That's all. It just takes practice. When you're using the weighted hula hoop, at first it's going to feel like little bruising on your side. You'll get used to it though after a while. I use this about once a week, and it really helps with the core muscles, helps with coordination. So let's get started, all right? I'm going to turn some music on. Yeah, turn some music on. Let's go. All right, ready?
Step on the rebounder, feel that beat. Hula hoop spinning while I move my feet. Little bounce, big energy. This is where I'm meant to
When you
be.
get, you can move your feet. Go the other way.
Chords working, rhythms tight, moving strong and feeling
That's
light.
right.